Oboroso bw'umugusi.
Moligeria chinsa hisato chia butokire chia bono botuko na gukwandire andonsia sore na gukwarigania ase Jumatate iga rituko ria gatano na limo umutinyu iga okia oikomi mwaka bwechirubere 2025 nchenkoro kwa Clinton Ondigi karansoike kurwa bono gwikomwe rinkomanye na raria ya aenekiwe. Karibu sana mwancho moligeria bono hamaya korwa ensoko chinse sotobo tukobwalira togochaka no roboti korwa se county ya Kisii ase heko asibunenchera yamo yokonekia buna basaye ngorendo bare kubwatekana nebirengererio ebinge ebibikwerera barabo kobaboka na koenekia gwikera gutwara ebirengererio byokwerusia obogima nigo bono habaibori na boigo hababwatani korwa se chikanisa aho basabiro koenekia buna nko baikabarange abasayabo bunenchera yamo yogocha koenekia ngosanga bare na barabo kero barorire chingencho chitari chiabo tambe abasayabo na barabo nigo bono bayesokire na gukwandira ekiakogera batwara ebirengererio ebinge ekianda kekekwerera barabo batwara ebirengererio byokwerusia obogima buna gotumanyo Mulikito Wycliffe Orenge
Asajinga kichinyenge abasaye nigo barorekanire gukira na kobera barabuboka ekera babwate mechando na gutwara ebirengererio ebinge ebyane nake bikogera berusio obogima gwetera so konyo Kisumu na bego kwengenta bono litukoria rero nigo ebirengererio byabasaye byarurwe igoro yebikoro byabasaye gukira ekera babwate mechando
kwengenta kwaletire ishio nyingi sana mune orogongo rito rwa Gusii abasaye bange bakwengenta tutakwana kurwa ngoro yabo koteba chishira chiko barenga bono oro mondo na babwata bokongu kabisa lakini osinyuko kwete inono mondo bamenya tenere
unafanya tu our feel free kuongea na the parents, the friends, alafu ni venye pia sometimes you don't get people who can listen you and understand you, so you just end up feeling lonely.
Again tegetangani changing trends abantu abange bachakire gokobi amangana y'abasongwa amangana ngumbu
gukwana n'ensoko TV mu basorero nigo abasaye aho bate babuna ekiya kogera bagira mono no ko abuna bayise gukwana mechando babwate asabasani nigo bayise gosekererwa gose gutangaswa.
Most of them prefer to be lonely because gine wako na wenye wanaogopa kushare vitu zenye wanapitia, alafu kuna vitu zingine pia like tuseme kama maybe mwanafunzi amepata kitu kama mimba, maybe the first time ana feel like hii kitu ni mbaya na itakuwa disappointing kwa wanafunzi wenzao ama mzazi, so atakaa tu hatasema.
Ananake nigo bono abasaye basemigo batebya Bible emechandeli babwate libakwanirwe bunenchira yemo yogokiania ebikoro byokwerusha bogima gwetera so gutwara ebirengererio
faku eka watoto like waji express. Unaeka mtoto free ndo akiwa na shida anasema. Mtoto akija shule ama akitoka unafaa kumwambia kuna mashida tu unaweza patana nayo kama mtoto, lakini ukipatana nayo unafaa kusema.
Ekanisa nero nebwateri bagalia bene lioko basemia abantu bonsi nabo igabasaye niko bono abasaye niko bairwe obosemi buna niko babwenda to kwasase bikundi obechikanisa elinde baegwa bosemia.
The church and the parents should play a big role in guiding us the youths kwa sababu we all look upon them for guidance and everything since wamekuwa na bado wako na kuna mengi wameona yenye sisi hatujaona.
Wanafaa kwenda church, alafu church leaders wanafaa kuguide pia wanafunzi na watoto venye wanafaa kukaa na wenzao.
na baiboli ni babonete kubaika abana babange na kubakwanira bamanyi buname cyane kibabwate iyo iragere bebe kale nabande
baiboli baminto babwana neto muiboli no muntu ore sensitive muiboli nabakomanya umwana oye mnare muiboli baminto tobwanete mwato bekamo mo tutigari chinga kichiri tutari kwenyara chinga kichiri asengende tutari kokore kwenda tutari ko bamona ino mo tutiga
abaiboli nainwe kero mwaro lenga abana wenu bakirire babekamo mwara abasemi mwabatebinga umwana abwene tukobaigana iga.
Wazazi wanafaa kuwa close to watoto wao, wanafaa kueka watoto like waji express.
Abasaye bano niko banyara ko bakwego basemya buna ekero babwate emechande deyonsi niko babonete gukwana na ande talinga no gukira igiye kugerana nake bakorera gweita ane nake niko batebigunga mbuya bagenda no nase chikanisa baso base bikundi ino banyako bagosemigwa chinjira cyo komenya ingo reporter ya Ensoko TV kurwaga igaso bugataka mu cyo basongo iretariane Wycliffe Barenge
Tuskabusyo mwanjo morigereria bunenchira yemo yogosira abasai mense ya Kenya bari batachitia sense mu university kwenyora emirimo gwetera somoroberio onyota nigo bono moroberio yo hochaki wase chi county chonse 45 na ibira sense ya Kenya me county ya Kisii nigo mo bisomo na se wizara yobwera ni bwa mangana yekerero Stephen Isaboke araire homoroberio yo ime school yo kwena na maigerio yo bobundi ya Kisii okwana kerekyo nigo bono aereire obuya bomoroberio yo bogocha kubwatara na se serikali chonse ejo kwena kiabuna habasae 50 nebere kurwase kera award nkwenyorera bare hama bagayiga yemeremo imense ya Kenya kolengana neganga yo muraibuense Dr. William Ruto nigo bona abori abantu bonsi kubwaterana na serikali ejo kwene kiabuna mabagayiga na chiego ikerana asobonge buna gotumanye muri kito Bethel machini
Serikali niko bono yabekire mirobere mekirane yo kwenekinga aborokiwa bali batanyoreza mabaga yo goswa University ngonyorera bare amasomo abene edi bachikonya kwa bakwirika emiremo amatukare bosyo ayangorengana no muri Kyobotambe ase wizara yobwerani wa mangana ma ya Stephen Isaboke uyo ochaki murobere yubene ime yeskuri yo kwane na magiri yo bubundi me Kisii National Polytechnic ya satebire nigo murobere yo rachikonya kabago konya aborokiwa kwenyorera amagiri amangara bakonya kwirika emiremo
rero muna mwaigwe tuachagaiga at Kisii Polytechnic ucha ko launch egento kia nyota ne project ego target abana abakevi chana bali miaka 18 na miaka 29 walibeta nyoleteri bagende university the dropouts muna mama yete kusiga munere nkogu nawe buli mama yeta mangana aya umwana class nyiruko ende university kuse agule abantu batabono yo elire kende nkeyo nkiara chabe almost like this person is useless. The opportunity to airulero ne president ne program ya nyota no ko enroll ya bana aba pata chete university kusabata university
ukwana na bariki maiga yo gukora igikaro na botani bo borindi me county ya Kisii mona basaye nigobono anyakabaga kwera obuyabumurobire yo asabasaye 20 kura ewodi barachikonya ko bakwenyorera ogukonyuko asomurobire yo konyora chishiringi chiriwe 50
no ko ba skill abandi bali bata train ti bandi bata na mechanic bandi bata kwa ndivya agriculture bandi bata kwa ndivyo binde egera ba basic training skill bebundise onye basic training yabranyo ratisan iginto bere konyere. Number 2 abandi bali bakolire bintu bagwate bara bayisa magokabo gose bikoro byabo abandi okonyorara gose numugagachi mu yasana abandi bala chimakanika bayasana bakujara korosiga chigali kabisa lakini hata certificate inero prior learning recognition ego cha gukora egera bantaba ba learning lakini batawa certificate ebe nambaisa to yagera to cha lero gaiga nuko basomya mangana ibiasara entrepreneurship egere ben role ise program ya nyota bagende ise business bagende egere basoe babe tested ise biasara kibagende gukora egere ba itre process yonsipi bali bako faul bako moedio bakonyora 50 ne target president ebegete kere ward chigodi jitu chonsipi mune chausi jira 45 kere ward nyora bana 70 na kero mwana 70 anyore 50 mune keke bwate equality kere ward ere 70 portion yetu president chikoli kere chiward chonsipi kanyengiba nte toka usiga no iwori ya tokiro montare atayo hande ni ntuchande kete most tuira bana baita bange baro batabatigasi
nanya nabo nigo Isaboke anyakabaga kuboria abaguzi go chichamo ilio kubwatisya omuroberi oyo bwa serikali kiagire serikali nere bwate amaya mange
egento nababori abantu baminto ebintu bya serikali bigocha ebintu bine byeito ntata bangaine ero kaigote tebwoye ero karibia ukerende tena abantu bae na bana bae nga mokole bintu bya serikali kuzine serikali yakoleta serikali y'abantu bonsi ne kumane bwensi no manene bwensi yons bantu bonsi 100% yekere gento bine kigocha wiketo keire mine gento gito kina bekire mine gento kera bomu chino keres nka no kigire gento kera imino yakara Kenya ne yito totebya bana baito bache bakitokeza kabisa belike babuga ti program y'abantu abatebira abantu baito batokorro ekera abantu bande bonzi bya Kenya babotokorro nyona baromba leme egere kere kama bagagotoka sine chigayiga usene bintu bina NYS abantu bakora ngumbu koze abantu ambata kere chatisan abantu baito na baro batoko
Reporteria Ensoko TV kure county ya Kisii Ritira na Pethuel Machin
Bienvenido Murikito Pethuel Machini togosuka bosio mwancho murigere asomoroberio buno yoyo ase county Nyamira masemi abweri chiko aiga Kenya Solicitor General Shadrack Mose nigaraire hogochakwa kumoroberio wokwena na enibo gochia ase abasae bosobo kwena na gochia abasae inse siro ya serikali yoko imokia abasae ka kwana hase gikaro hamone bitabo byo borende ase county Nyamira nigobono hasabira bagambi kwena kyanga abasae kweri kyabare inse yo moroberio yonyota oyorengeta abasae chiribu chimisano na 320 ase Kenya engima abo bwate myake gati yeri 15 oika 20 na kianda ase bari bamenyete no barema nigobono barachigwanjiro kweri kya somoroberio yo abo bare inse ya myaka 35 unagotoma Murikito Steven Nyariki
Omosemi abweri chiko Moske Shadrack Mose ngati yomogeni oikirana asomoroberio bogosio bene esiro yabasae weso yasobwonchoreria asomoroberio osire na World Bank
that it's a World Bank project. I want to tell you that we need to get it right. It's a World Bank project. 5 billion shillings grant given to us as government. As between 18 and 29, and the PWDs, people living with disability below the age of 35 years. The other project is a landmark initiative by the government of Kenya aimed at transforming the livelihoods of the vulnerable youth over the next 5 years.
And then again, 10,000 youth micro franchises or urgent businesses will also be established. Now, in terms of supporting youth savings, the project intends to have 190,000 youth having short-term and long-term savings with the Haba Haba scheme under the NSSF. Then young mothers are also going to be supported. Wale wasichana wadogo wako na watoto, they will be supported when they do the project, and there will also be maternity health support of those expectant youth when they'll be undertaking the project.
Bagukwana samagacho CDF imeyebungea West Mugrango imeyanyamira nigo bairiro buyabwa bekiru ne serikali ya Kenya kwanza kwene kingaba saa 52 kurwakire wodi ngwenyora barumuroberi bugoche gosirwa.
Hakuna nchi ambao iko nzuri kushinda nchi yetu ya Kenya. Hiyo mnapiga makofi hiyo kabisa. And I'm telling you without winking, hakuna nchi yeyote inashinda hii nchi yetu ya Kenya. Ile shida kubwa tuko nayo ni leo tukipiga kura, badala ya kupeana nafasi ile amechaguliwa, ile serikali tumechagua, tunapiga kura leo, the following day tunaanza nini? Tunaanza siasa, and we lose it out at that level.
And we said we are targeting 70 youth, not 70,000. Tumeshika vizuri.
Asekiro musae orache kwenyore ngeri yo nigaregwe shilingi 50,000 echiwara nyare kobaga kwegenderia sobwonjoreria bene.
And this 50,000 we will have a saving element. Now, my brother here will talk about it from NSSF. Out of the 50,000, you have been given 50,000, but 12% will go to NSSF.
Omuroberi yokagire gochiko iguru botuko bwa rero wetera ase ebimatero bya star 254 ash nigora chikwene kinga ense ya Kenya nene mono asabasae abari emyaka gati ya 15 n'etatu goika emyaka 29 ase bari buya nabo igo bari no borema wiki emyaka 35 nigo barachikwiriki ase omuroberi yobotuko bwa rero.
The 1,450 wards in the whole country. Hii pesa itakuwa imefanya nini? Imeingia huko.
Steven Nyarikembonde, Ensoko TV, county ya Nyamira.
Tuskapusio mwanchumo rigereria bakori emirimo bonsi beserikali me yense nigo bagochengera eikio korwa abokoreri eyo manyekane buna customer service week ase county ya Nairobi abakori emirimo asensemo ya Huduma Center nigo barire ira yo gochia kugendera korwa abokoreri obuya nabo igo barwari baga gochia ase okubakira bateja babo mbuya ase okubasira moigo yo nigo ragwa muno waziri otenrete abokoreri bweserikali Geoffrey Ruku hasarwa okogosereria nabo igo gochia ase bari bonsi ba abakori emirimo serikali bonsi bagotumeka masakara yechisemi iyo borimo nabo igokwenekia obokurumi asate abire nigo barache kwemukerirwa egetambo keregetindikeri chikolina tinyambane agotumanyia senchero yobwikiro
Chingaki abakori emirimo imeyense bagochengera eiki yokurwa abokoreri ase county ya Nairobi omoyego yo nigoragwa no muwaziri wa abakori emirimo Geoffrey Ruku ase chiobisi chinene cha Huduma Center.
This week is a week to remind all of us who are in public service that we have an obligation, we have a duty to ensure we are committed and Kenyans who come to us go back home when they are happy and when they feel that they have been served in the most appropriate way.
Gukwana asomo yegoyo Ruku nigo aruro gukurira ogutindi ucyasa abakori emirimo bari bagutumia amasakara yoborimo nabo igo abakurumi buna inyimbo yabo nigereriko.
We have many people working in government who have been paid double pay, who have changed job groups 3 times a year, who have been exempting taxes which are not supposed to be exempted, who have changed their date of birth again and again to cheat on the date of retirement. So if you are a human resource director in government institution and you know you are doing this, very soon we are coming for you. You will be prosecuted.
Chingaki checho nigo aenekiri eserikali nechikubwaterana nechiabisi cha Huduma Center ase chi county chonsi korwa obokoreri gochia saba na inchi aso kubwaterana nech sector chonsi.
And we are calling upon all the state departments which have citizen-facing services to ensure these services are available at Huduma centers across the Republic of Kenya. We know we have quite a number of state departments, quite a number of MDAs, agencies, government agencies, offering different services, and they are not yet available. Those services are not yet available at Huduma centers. We are calling upon those MDAs and government agencies to ensure their services are available across their established Huduma centers in the country.
Abarai babakori emirimo na barabo nigo batogire emirimo bagokora gochia saba Kenya asebo igo barire ira yo goche kugenderera kurwa obokoreri obuya asa matukare bosio
in the public sector. But I want to declare and announce today with Huduma Kenya, public service excellence is mission possible.
Public services, ensuring that every citizen is served with dignity. The theme Mission Possible resonates deeply with our collective mandate in the public service. It reminds us that Through collaboration and innovation, we can overcome challenges and deliver quality services to all Kenyans.
Arenayo nigo omwaziri iboigo aruro kuboria guchia saba Kenya kwerikia asomoroberio ogendrete go kwerikia kwa bakichikura.
And very important for now, please, if you have applied for ID, pick your ID and go register as a voter, because we want all Kenyan, all young people to register in large numbers as voters, so that come 2027 you can go and make your independent decision on how you want this country to be governed.
Ngoripoteria Ensoko TV, erietaria ne Linet Nyambane.
Tuguskabosio mwancho murigeria higati ya baraikuru asensemeria yo kwa meria serikali bakorogwa muno muraiwe kiama ya DCP Rigathi Gachagua Kalonzo Musyoka we kiama kya Wiper Patriotic Front na bego Martha Karua PLP na bande niko bagendere ko moche serikali ya Kenya Kwanza hasobora yobobe na basaba habasa baeso kya sobonge bune nchira ya moyo kubwate ebibande ne chikura eriko chikokora moncheria asobora yase chikura chine ne chuma kabwe chirobere 25 na ibere Frida Kerubo agotomanya senchira yoboikirana.
Tumeanza kuandikisha tarehe 29 IEBC wanaandikisha vijana kura. Tunaomba watu wa Masii, Masaku yote, Ukambani yote, kama una mtoto kwa nyumba yako ana miaka 18, hakikisha amechukua ID card. Kama una mtoto kwa nyumba yako hajachukua kura, hakikisha amechukua hiyo kura.
Abasae nigo bagendete kuboligwa gwesokia asobonge elio kwerikia asekirenga kyogokora amaunchererio bosi wobochori okwana omuraibi kiama gya DCP Rigathi Gachagua nigaba bolia kwenekia nkubwata bale chikura.
Nyinyi ndio dawa ya Kasongo, lakini kwa hii vita mnahitaji buduki ya kwenda vita, na buduki ya siasa ni kura. Vijana wetu ya Masii mujiandikishe, mchukue kura. Huyu Kalonzo Musyoka hakuna pahali ataenda, hakuna pahali anaweza fika bila nyinyi kuchukua kura na kupiga.
Omugavana bwe county ya Machakos wa Vinyandeti nigagokera egetambukiro kya bamereria be serikali asokolenta abarai amona gukwana neliogelimo.
Sisi tuko nyuma ya mtoto wetu, na sisi Your Excellency tunakushukuru sana. Umeenda ukapata marafiki wengine wazuri sana, kina Muturi, Muturi na wala wengine. Na sisi tunawauliza ndugu zetu na dada zetu, tushikane sisi wote pamoja, kwa sababu Wakenya wanatuangalia. Yule ayuko na sisi hapa ayuko.
Omurai wekiama gya PLP Martha Karua nigo agikiria serikali asokoirania obokoleri ao magega okwana nigo aenekia okoremara ko bokoleri ase chinyagitari wetera omoroberio osha sekta yechisemi na baigo okonachwa kwengeria yabakori emirimo na kogania Ruto abega kurusigwa abisi.
Tusipoungana, tusipokaa pamoja, huyu mtu atatupora. Kasongo ni mwizi na atafanya nini? Kwa hivyo tuko pamoja, tukomboe. Nini tunasema Kasongo one term? Ameharibu afya yetu. Hatuwezi pata matibabu kwa SHA. Hiyo hatuijui ni nini. Ukienda hospitali unafukuzwa bila matibabu. Watoto wetu hawapati masomo. Bei ya maisha, gharama ya maisha imeenda juu. Payslip zetu anakata pesa, anatunyanyasa kushinda mkoloni. Aende asiende?
Asensemo ya Kalonzo Musyoka nigaene kebuna abasaye ba Gen Z imense ya Kenya nigo babeire ekiorokererio ekiyago chia asa abasaye bechinse chinde asoko gikeria oborayo bobe na boigo obokurumi.
Tayari kukomboa nchi yenu? Vijana Gen Z mpo? Muko tayari kukomboa nchi yenu? Nyinyi wa Kenya vijana Gen Z wamepeana mfano wa ajabu. Hivi tunavyozungumza, nadhani kesho ama kesho kutwa kuna maandamano mji mkubwa wa nchi ya Madagascar unaitwa Antananarivo. Wakenya watoto wa nchi hiyo walipata motisha kutoka Gen Z wa Kenya, kwa sababu Gen Z wa Kenya mmekuwa mfano mzuri duniani kote. Nyinyi mmesema mtaki serikali inaongozwa na wauni, serikali ambayo inaongozwa na walafi, serikali ambayo inaongozwa na wetu ambao wanaiba mali ya umma.
Kerubo Frida, Ensoko TV.
Tuska bose mwancho muligerio muraibwensi ya Kenya muskule Ruto nikagendreire kwegera emirobero ya serikali na komochia habarai bage siasa hasogutaikirana kwa magendero na nigasabira bona bananchi kwenekia kubwatira na bare kokonya bananchi asogoikirania obokoreri nigarengiko ya kwana igasumo igabubu asioria egetabu kya Major Retired Masden Madoka senyumba enene yoborai memocho Nairobi.
We are beginning to have a conversation as a country. In this place where you are sitting, in the last 2 months, I have sat with all the members of parliament and senators in this place, one by one, to explain to them why Kenya is a third world country by mistake, and by mistake of us, the leaders. There is absolutely no reason why Kenya today is a third world country. Programs and all the other programs. And we want to identify another almost 600,000-700,000 young people to support them to be part of the AGBO process. Government procurement. We have a lot of government procurement that's going on, and young people are not participating because of many roadblocks. So we want to prepare them so that the budget we have a huge budget of procurement, close to 200 billion, that is supposed to be reserved for young people, people with disability, and women. But that is not, we are not uptaking that, they are not participating, and we want to see how we can improve their skills. Major Masden Madoka has truly lived up to the title of his memoir, At the Ready. Throughout his life, he has always been ready to serve, ready to lead, and ready to give of himself for his country and this nation.
Udenjere mo yoko igorama baga yegasi asabasae mo director we company ya ALM Helen Mwangi nigo bona sabira basae gweso kya sobonge chitariki kyando mutyonyo ya county ya Kisii koerikia ejogo chikonyora hama baga yechigasi isko yense kokwana n'Ensoko TV Helen nigo bona atebire nigere bune njire mo yoko konya habasae kwegenderia hasa magimap.
Helen Mwangi is a director with ALM Recruitment Agency. ALM Recruitment Agency is a registered company with the government, in the government laws. We are grateful that now we have a plan of starting a branch in Kisii, and in this case we have an upcoming interviews where we need male warehouse helpers for Dubai. The warehouse they are also, as we know them as go-downs helpers. So we need only males that are at the age of 22 to 38. And in this case, this male candidate must have valid Kenyan passport and must be prepared to travel within a span of 1 month. The clients will come over, the delegates will come. Wale wenye watakuwa wanachukua watu Waarabu atakuja wewe mwenyewe. Kuna Waarabu 3 watakuwa hapa Kisii Ufanisi Resort, and they are very friendly because they want to get enough number of people. Kwa hivyo msiogope. Watu wanasikia interviews, they fear. So don't you fear, because it's just a helping position. When you go on the other side, you'll be shown what to do. So most of you, you're most welcome, and see you there at Ufanisi Resort on Thursday.
Tukuskabusio Sharon Mura niko bona abuire hegekombe kya Unicolor Golf Tournament ase chikosori cha golf echo chia korekaneta segeti ya Kisii Golf Club maiga yoko babwa bakosori bande 50 noyomo bagokwana nabariki amang'ana mo director kurwase Ensemeria United Paints Stephen Mose niga atebire buna egosori eyo ya golf nigo bone bwente kogosori gwana basae bekegoria geke erio gutugutirare heng'ana yogoteba buna egosori eyo ne yekegoria kenene kibwa yabagaka amona bangina Julius Mwenga kurwase Office Hardware boigo niga borire babwatani bande konyara ko baba gwesoke na gosira chigosori echo cha golf na boigo gwa kambu yamono gochia saba gosori bonsi au bayikiranete kone kya chi gosori echo ngo ikirana chira senchirere ndonge.
My aim going forward is I've always had a dream of lowering my handicap to about 10. I'm actually playing at 15, so 10 is not far off, which I'm looking forward to getting to. Before end of the year, I should be at 10. The tournament was very good. I managed to play with very good people. The turnout was very good, and we really appreciate it.
The golf is coming up in the upcountry, and we are seeing a lot of activity around golf. And this is a good positive for us and for the next generation. This is something we can build our country around and also give our next generation an opportunity of something they can be able to pursue and also offer them an opportunity for growth. Golf is not just an elite thing, but it can be pursued by anyone, and we can be able to promote talents across the whole country.
The support we get from corporates and from different businesses out there, it's really growing the game of golf, especially out and away from Nairobi, because there's been a lot of focus in the clubs within Nairobi region, but now we are seeing a lot of activity in the, if you may call it, upcountry clubs. This is a very good example. It has been a very wonderful day. We have players from Kericho. We have players from Ruiru, we have players from Nyanza, we have players from Nandi, we have, I think I've seen players from Kakamega as well, and I'm sure quite a number of other clubs.
And foremost, to thank the Managing Director, United Paints, Unikara, Mr. Stephen Warui Muche, and the Kisii Sports Club for hosting this fabulous event. And further, let me thank the Unikara community and the family which I'm part of it because of their corporate social responsibility.
Mwancho murigeria shida ike mirongo itatu chia butokirigoro ye chinsa isato chia bono botuko no tugikira mweri bwa maya kuru ensoko chinsa isato chubo tuko bwiga bwa gatano na rimo mutinyogo 10 mwaka bwechiri bubere mirongo bere na isano chenkoro kwa Clinton Ndigi asiri bagaria ya Brian Achako lengemega ye chikamera Felistas Kabendi na director Zaki Kenya kuru studio ya Kabere toko kanrio botuko bia na bwigo gendre kwegokia nemero beria gendre ta sembeo ye ensoko TV tumira nanda sembeo nyasaye kawanji.